Hello everyone! Today I'm going to paint a car in my Crafty kit. Let's open it. I'm only gonna paint one, and it is this one. This is the paint, but I have some extras. This is the paintbrush that came in the kit, but I have some extra paintbrushes. Let's begin. I'm going to take some blue and some white. I'm mixing the blue and the white to make light blue. I'm going to use some white. Now I'm going to paint the wheel cups green. I'm going to put yellow now. Now for some red. Now I'm going to mix some white and some black to make grey. When it dries, I'll take a marker and go over the lines. This is my final painting. I used a blue crayon to go over the car, a pen to go over the lines, and a blue marker to go over some lines. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye.